Model, 62-plate Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 TDI 109 medium wheelbase, spares OR repairs. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 172648. MOT, the 31st of October 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 109 PSF. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. DPF is blocked. It is also very stiff to get into first and second gear. Think it's something to do with the selector, not the actual gearbox. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, tipper in working order, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.